The first card is the Page of Cups, and to me it represents transitional period. More specifically, something that is transitioning because its previous stages failed. You may have noticed this theme is one that's been already occurring in the past years. It can represent deep change because the transition might be relating to one's priorities, daily life, place that they call home, relationship with oneself, and many other areas. So to represent the idea of how previous stages failed, just think about, I don't think I have to prompt it to you, but the amount of issues that are still remaining unresolved in the world, the amount of subjects of conversation that causes people to feel anxious on a daily basis. This card to me represents that feeling of, I can't possibly just accept them and pretend it doesn't matter, and actions that come as a result of it. The second theme card is Three of Wands, and to me it feels like it's an early stage of building something new, but it also can be a theme of conflict of vibrations, or you can think of it as a conflict of power. Like there are bound to be different opinions coming through, and then there's this theme of not being able to work it out into one congruent resolution, which to me feels like a dangerous energy for the world in general. It's not an energy we are ready to work with, if you ask me. And then we have the third theme card, and it's the Sun. To start, we can consider the numerological aspect as the Sun correlates to the number 1, with 19 spreading into 1 plus 9 equals 10, which leaves us with the simplest of numbers, 1. It's like the Sun is beaming down on us, saying that whatever we are going through, it is accessible to us. Sun in this case can be perceived as the source energy, the ancient wisdom energy, God energy, pure essence energy. So it seems like a theme of not something that materializes in this scenario, but rather something that we have access to despite what is manifesting in the material world. And the little sunflowers on my card here are like a reminder to treat all the experiences with equal amounts of love, actually, whether they are negative or positive, because they all come from the same source, and purpose of the source unifies us all as living beings, but also what surrounds us, even if at first glance it appears to be bad or misaligned or unpleasant.